Little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something festive and fun, a cute Christmas stocking.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's get started with our black marker. First, let's draw a big curvy shape for the stocking. This will be the main part of our drawing. Now, at the top of the stocking, draw a rectangular folded part. This is where the stocking opens. Add some curved and straight lines on it for decoration. On the heel area of the stocking, draw a small, cute heart shape. Next, let's draw a star shape on the folded top area. It's like a shining Christmas decoration. Let's make our stocking come to life. Draw two big, cute eyes in the middle of the stocking and a small smiling mouth underneath. Finally, let's draw some tiny heart shapes around the stocking. These make it extra festive and fun. So adorable. Now, go over your drawing with your black marker to make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Doesn't our stocking look amazing? Great job! It's time to color. Let's make our stocking bright and colorful. Red color for the stocking.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color for the star. Blue color for the folded top. Pink color for the little hearts.
Yay!
Cream color for the heel and toe patches.
Wow!
Fantastic! You did such a great job coloring. Your Christmas stocking looks so cute and festive. Don't forget to hang it up for Santa to fill with treats. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.